Hi everyone, good morning. Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera. Okay, siapa online dengan saya? Say hi. Tulis dekat chat tu, hi. So saya boleh nampak siapa yang dengan saya. Hi Cincin, hi On Jungkit. Lagi? Yang lain tak masuk. Tak apa, kita start saja sebab ini YouTube boleh tengok hari lain ya. Today revision using Ticket to Victory ya, Physics Form 4. So I make it as revision. So now we start. Do not waste time. Just go to the page that we want. So for the first part, I will discuss on chapter 1 and chapter 2. Bab 1 dengan bab 2 . Chapter 1 measurement, chapter 2 force and motion 1. Okay, anything kalau ada soalan you terus boleh type dekat chat tu ya. Okay. Okay. Okay, paper 1. Okay, we'll look at some questions in paper 1. Okay, first part, number 1. Gallons, miles and yard are example of. Okay, kalau kita discuss in chapter 1, kita ada two types of unit. It is a metric unit or imperial unit. Metric unit ada SI unit dan semua yang lain lah, meter, second, kilogram. Okay, so kalau gallons, miles and yard, in physics we never use this one, but in some industry they will use this unit, gallon, miles and yard. Okay, so this one is known as imperial unit. Okay, this one seldom use, jarang digunakan, tapi still use. Okay, itu panggil imperial unit. Inch, itu semua imperial unit lah. Okay. Okay, number 2. Which of following pair shows physical quantity and its unit correctly? Okay, mass. Okay, I hope you remember the 7 base unit and also some of the unit for physical quantity. Okay, mass, kilogram. Yes, correct. Acceleration, meter second to the power -2. Yes. Okay, electric current, I. No. What is unit for electric current? Apa unit electric current? Okay, so electric current unit dia ampere bukan I. I ialah simbol. Then thermodynamic temperature, Kelvin. Yes. Okay, correct. So kita ada 1, 2, 4. Okay, combination yang mana yang betul? Okay, B. 1, 2, 4. Okay, so ini jenis soalan ni pun ada juga ya. Okay, we go to the next one, number 3. The following equation is a physical quantity in terms of base quantity. Okay, we can write in terms of base quantity. Base quantity, I hope you remember base quantity itu apa? Base length, time, current, what else? Okay, what else? Does you remember? Temperature. Okay, another one is amount of metal mole. Okay, and then we have luminous intensity, yeah. Luminous intensity. Ada 7 semua, ada 7. Okay. So base quantity kita lihat simbol. Simbol dia pun kita kena tahu juga ya. M, L, small t, capital I, capital T, amount of meter N, luminous intensity I, V. Okay. So ini ialah mass times length divide by time times time. So we can write in symbol meter, mass dulu kilogram, kg, length, meter, second times second, second squared, so is kg negative 2. Kg meter second negative 2 actually equals to Newton. So what is physical quantity? So Newton unit untuk apa? Okay. If velocity is meter second negative 1, momentum is kg meter second negative 1, acceleration meter second negative 2. Newton ialah unit force. Okay, kg meter second negative 2 also equals to Newton. So jawapan dia D ya untuk soalan ni. Okay. Okay, number 4. Relationship between two physical quantity, gradient of the graph, area under the graph, interpolation, extrapolation. The above statement refers to yang mana? Okay, you have done the experiment, you have recorded all the data, you have plotted the graph. Now based on the graph, you want to find the relationship, you want to find the gradient, area under the graph, interpolation, extrapolation. So what is the answer for this one, number 4? Apa answer dia? Okay, can you give the answer for this one? Yes, Zina, amount of substance atau meter. Ampere, correct. Okay, what is the answer for this question, number 4? You have plotted the graph. Okay, you have done the experiment. So these are the process that done, like calculating gradient, okay, extrapolation, interpolation, what we call the process. You can guess the answer. Apa answer dia soalan ni? Conjugate, yes, C, correct. It's analysis, good. Analysis of graph, okay, correct. So all this process, we call it analysis, analysis. Analyzing graph, okay. Okay, let's look at number 5. Given the formula for simple pendulum swing, okay, T, period, period. T ni ialah period atau tempo. 4 pi squared L divided by G. L is length, G is acceleration due to gravity. Which of the following is true? Okay, if you look carefully, this is T. If you write square both sides, you will get T equals 4 pi squared L divided by G. So you can see from here the activity for the simple pendulum carried out on Earth, no other place, on Earth only, meaning 4 pi squared over G actually is a constant. If this one is constant, meaning T squared directly proportional to L. Okay, if you carry out the experiment on the moon at the same time, meaning we have two different places, so T squared inversely G. Okay, so ini kalau ada perubahan tempat lah, Earth dengan Moon, maksudnya dia ada juga change in period if you change the value of G. Because as we know, G of Moon is G of Earth divided by 6. Okay, now it means you have changed the value of G. When G decrease, T squared increase. When length increase, T squared increase. Okay, we look at the what given here. T directly proportional to L. Is this correct or not? Look at here, not T, it's T squared. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, T inversely proportional to G. Also wrong. T versus I. Oh, ini dia punya presenter, dia punya ni salah ni ya. A straight line graph. Okay, if you plot a graph of T against L only, this is like a quadratic graph, so the graph should be curved if T against L. But if you plot T squared against L, directly proportional the relationship, this one you will get straight line. Okay, so means this one also wrong. So look at D. T squared against L represent straight line graph, correct? Okay, linear graph or straight line graph. Okay, that one is number 5. G donkey ya, jawapan dia. Okay, we go to the next, number 6. Diagram 1 shows how the graph of quantity F changes with another quantity X, F against X. You can get the graph like this. Okay, what equation accurately describe the graph above? So this one need you to find equation for this straight line. Remember, this one is just like mathematics. So Y equals, okay, so you check, ini apa? F, ini ialah Y. Okay, and this one is X already. So it's F equals mx plus c. Now your job is to find what is m, what is c. Okay, so try to find the gradient. Let's say I use this triangle, the whole graph. Okay, right angle triangle. So m equals 16 minus 0 divided by 9 minus 1. So I will get 16 divided by 8, which is equals to 2. So I have the gradient is 2. F equals to 2x plus c. Okay, now I want to find c. So let's choose one point on the line. Let's say I choose is 1, 0 here. 1, 0. So 0.10. So F0, 2 times 1, C. So I get is equal to 2. Okay, write again the whole equation. So F equals 2x minus 2. Okay, now we check the answer. Which one is correct? Yes. Okay, from here we get the answer is D. So means you must know also the how to find the equation for the graph given. For this one straight line, meaning using the formula for straight line graph. Max, guna formula max saja. Okay. Ada soalan you can write in chat kalau mana tak faham. Okay. Next question, number 2. Number 2 is already chapter 2. Yeah. Diagram 2 shows a graph that represents motion of the car. So this is VT graph. For VT graph, remember you can get two important points from the graph. First, the gradient equals to acceleration, and L under the graph equals to displacement or distance. Okay, displacement atau distance. Okay, soalan, which statement is correct? This one also want you to find the equation. Okay, if you find the equation, so you have the formula y equals mx plus c. So this is y, this is x, so just ganti equals mt. Okay, now I want to find m, so I draw this triangle below the line. I get m equals 10 minus 2 divided by 8. So it's 8 over 8 means 1. So this is C. Okay, so V equals to M1. So T plus 2. Okay, check. Okay, so equation 1, V equals to T plus 2 is correct already. Gradient 1, of course this one is wrong. Okay, T8, V2. Okay, T equals to 8, V10, not V2. So ini pun salah. V directly proportional wrong sebab does not pass through origin. Dia bukan origin. So the answer is D. Okay, nampak Jadi banyak kemahiran matematik fizik kena mahir matematik juga. Okay. Okay, we go to the next one. Number 8. A student carries out an experiment to study a relationship between. Bila nampak physical quantity, you boleh highlight siap-siap. Time. Okay. Temperature. Time. Sini ialah MV/RV. Okay, so which one should be the MV and which one should be the RV? Okay. He pours some hot water into a beaker and takes the temperature of the water at regular time interval of 1 minute. So he mentioned the time here. In this experiment, the manipulated variable, the responding variable, and the fixed variable are. Okay, nampak tak? Takes temperature at regular time interval 1 minute. Means dia sudah set time ialah 1 minute then measure temperature. Kalau dia sudah set dari awal, itu ialah MV. Maksudnya MV di sini apa? Time lah. Okay, the word is temperature will be RV. Okay. So nampak tak di situ? Okay, so kita tengok. Manipulated variable ialah time. Okay, responding variable temperature. Tak ada, yang lain semua salah. Okay, so fixed variable time, correct. Okay, jawapan B. Okay, ni number 8. Okay, 8 B. Nampak tak? Itu cara kita tengok soalan. Okay, jadi kalau eksperimen, relationship between, after that mesti MV dengan RV. So you kena detect which one. Okay. Yang diukur atau measure itu ialah RV. Yang sudah tetap sebelum eksperimen itu MV. Okay. Jadi jawapan dia B boy lah. So itu untuk objektif. Kita tengok soalan paper 2. section A. Okay, number 1, diagram shows a ticker tape with 5 dots, ada 5 titik, obtained from an experiment. Okay, soalan. 2 tick is the time taken from P to where? What is the meaning of 1 tick? Okay, so dia ada 5 dots, but how many ticks? Macam mana nak kira? Between 2 dots, count as 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Maksudnya ada 4 ticks atau 4 dot space kita panggil. 4 ticks. Okay, so 1 tick berapa? Definition for 1 tick apa? Time interval to adjacent dot. Masa, time. Di antara dua titik yang bersebelahan. Okay, time interval between two adjacent dots. Itu kira 1 tick. Itu maksudnya 1 tick, time interval, time. Bukan distance, time. Okay. So 2 tick maksudnya apa? P kepada Q 1. P to R 2. So 2 ticks time maksudnya P to R. Apa? P to R kira 2 tick. Dia nak 2 ticks. Okay. Okay, boleh ke? Okay, soalan B. Soalan B. Complete the following sentence by ticking the correct answer in the box provided. Okay, the ticker tape can be analyzed to determine, dia nak guna apa untuk determine apa? Analyzing motion saya dah beritahu hari tu kan. Kita guna untuk determine what? Distance or displacement, velocity, acceleration, time. Ini semua. Hanya ini dia boleh ditentukan. Okay, untuk ticker tape. Okay, force and work cannot. Okay, so means you just take this box. Distance and speed. Okay, jadi ticker tape boleh analyzing motion, maksudnya determine distance or displacement, speed or velocity, acceleration, time taken. Okay. Okay, bahagian C ya. What is the type of motion shown by ticker tape in diagram 1? Jadi soalan type of motion kena faham apa yang you guna jawab. Okay, type of motion. Type, jenis gerakan. Type of motion, either you mention at rest or stationary pun boleh. Tidak bergerak pun boleh lah, maksudnya at rest ni kan. Okay. Uniform speed and then uniform acceleration. Soalan lah. So ini jawapan yang kita nak kalau ada perkataan type of motion. Okay, jenis gerakan. Okay, jadi macam mana nak tahu? Okay, tengok balik ticker tape. Okay, each of tick same distance. Okay, kita pun dah tahu time taken pun same juga. 1 tick, 0.02 second. Okay, distance sama, time pun sama. Kalau you calculate V, you akan guna formula S divided by T. You also will get the same speed. From P to Q, same as Q to R, same as RS, same as T. Means from P to T, uniform speed atau uniform velocity. Okay, macam tu. Tengok je distance dia. Okay, distance between dia. Kalau macam ni, dia makin pendek. Macam ni. Kalau macam ni, speed makin kurang. Decrease in speed, so ini ialah deceleration. Tapi tengok direction lah. Tengok direction. Macam ni direction ke sini lah. So ini first dot. First dot nampak distance dia decrease, so ini decelerate. Okay. Kalau macam ni makin bertambah besar. Okay. Ke sini. So ini ialah acceleration. Sebab ini first dot. Okay. First dot tengok direction. Kalau direction left, ini first dot. Okay, kalau direction right, ini first dot. Okay, macam tu. Okay, yang ni acceleration, ini deceleration. So untuk soalan ni ialah uniform acceleration. Jadi tulis jawapan dengan betul. Uniform yang sama, silap. Uniform velocity saya pun dah tercakap salah. Uniform speed atau uniform velocity. Okay, jawapan ni. Mak. Soalan 2, give one reason for your answer. Kenapa? Tadi kita lihat apa? Because distance between two dots are constant. Okay, distance between two dots are constant. Okay, ataupun distance for one tick are constant pun boleh. Okay, ini reason dia. Jadi untuk speed tu just lihat distance between two dots saja. Kalau dia sama maksudnya speed sama atau velocity sama. Okay, number 2. Diagram 2 shows motion graph of a car while the car travelling along a road at velocity of 25. The driver suddenly sees the road ahead is blocked by fallen tree at 50 meter away. He pressed the brake pedal until the car stopped. Okay, tengok situation dia ni. Ini daripada dia tekan brake sampai stop. Ini graph dia. Okay, soalan velocity. Soalan ni. Tengok. Saya tulis dulu ya. Okay, travelling a velocity of maksudnya U 25 second 1. Okay, finally stop means V equals 0. Okay, the moment he tekan brake itu maksudnya S is 50 meter. Okay, kita tengok. Soalan. Okay, velocity is obviously kalau tengok unit dia meter second negative 1 is already combination of physical quantity, so it cannot be base lah. So it should be derived. Okay, lagipun kalau you ingat there are 7 base quantity only, not including velocity, because velocity is derived quantity. Okay, if you have question just write in the tulis dalam tu. Okay, bahagian B state physical quantity represented by gradient of velocity time graph. Okay, gradient dia apa? Okay, so for this VT graph, gradient equals to acceleration. Okay, so acceleration. Okay, C1, calculate distance travel by car by calculating area under the graph. Ini dia dah bagi, dia dah bantu kat sini. Kalau dia sebut calculate distance travel saja, maybe ada yang guna cara lain, tapi dia nak area under the graph, so means this triangle. So area of triangle, half times base times height. Half times 5 times 25. Okay, so kita akan tulis jawapan. Distance equals Okay, so let you know 5 meter. Unit ikut graf. Okay, so ini 2 markah. Tunjuk calculation jawapan dengan unit yang betul. 2 marks. Soalan application. Part 2, based on your calculation in 3C1, will car hit the fallen tree? Give reason for your answer. Okay, brake the pedal and then 62.5. Tadi dia cakap 50 meter saja kan? So means it will, yes, it will hit the car. Will the car hit the fallen tree? Yes. Give reason of your answer. Because this distance of the car 62.5 meter is more than the more than the distance between car and the fallen tree. Okay, ataupun you boleh tulis sebagai distance travel by car to stop is more than 50 degrees. To stop is then 50 meter. Okay. Masa dia tekan brake tu, distance only 50 meter, but calculation shows 62.5, means the car will hit the fallen tree. Okay. Okay, number 3. Diagram 3.1 shows 2 cyclists cycling bicycle and reach distance shown in 5 seconds. Diagram 3.2 shows only 1 cyclist reach the distance shown in 10 seconds. Ini 3.2. Okay. Kalau 1 dia ambil 10 second, yang ni 2 cyclist 5 second, yang ni second punya 2 cyclist 5 second. Okay, so boleh nampak perbezaan diagram. Yang ni nampak steady, tapi yang ni nampaknya dia lebih laju. Okay, you can see ada angin tu belakang tu. Ini lebih laju. Okay, higher speed, right? Okay, soalan. Name the force Q which acting downwards. Apa nama force Q? Okay, tengok balik diagram. Mana Q tadi? Ni, Q ke bawah. Okay. So, if Q ke bawah means dia adalah weight atau gravity force. Okay. Observe diagram, compare. Ini soalan compare. Compare time taken to travel the same distance. Already mentioned above. Diagram 1, 10 second. Diagram 2, diagram 1 ialah 5 second. Diagram 1, 5 second. So, I want to start with diagram 3.1. Okay. The time taken in 3.1 is shorter in 3.2. Okay. Ini 5 ni ya, salah typing ni ya, 5. Okay, so saya tukar lah. Should be 5 lah, mana boleh 2. Ya. Jadi guna perkataan compare, shorter, smaller, lower, okay. Compare forces applied by cyclists that cause cyclists to move forward. The force applied. Tengok salah, tengok balik ya. Ini yang 5 second. Ini yang 10 second, sorry ya. Saya tak tahu. So 10 second. Okay. Okay, above saya start dengan 5.1. So below also semua start dengan 5.1. The force applied in 5.1 is larger than in 5.2. Sebab short time taken maksudnya move faster. Based on your answer 3B1, compare acceleration of the cyclist. Okay, acceleration in 5.1 is higher than in 5.2. Okay, force larger, guna formula F equals to ma ya. Okay, for constant mass, F directly proportional to A. Okay, now next, relate forces and acceleration. Jadi you nampak sini, force larger, acceleration higher. Higher. Okay, jadi tulis the larger the force applied, tulis pun tak apa, the higher the acceleration. Larger the force applied, the higher the acceleration. Name physics law involved. Okay, F equals to ma. Ini apa physics law? What is the physics law? F equals to ma. Siapa yang online dengan saya? F equals to ma. What is the law given for this one? What is the law given? F equals to ma. Pencin ada? Apa nama law ni? F equals to ma. Okay, Newton's second law. Newton's second law. Newton. Okay, apa Newton's second law ni? Rate of change of momentum directly proportional to force applied in the same direction. Okay. Okay, bahagian D. The total mass of cyclists and bicycle are 100 kilogram. If they start from rest and achieve velocity 10 in 2 seconds, calculate force applied. Okay, you want to calculate force. Force kena guna formula M dulu. Okay. From the information given, start from rest means initial velocity 0. Achieve velocity V, so ini final velocity. 2 second, maksudnya T ialah 2. You want to find A. No S. Formula ada berapa? Ada 4 formula kan? V equals to U plus AT. S of U plus T, U plus VT. S equals UT half plus half AT squared. You ada V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. So you can see kita tak ada S di sini. So semua yang ada S kita tak mau. So kita pilih yang ni. Okay, because we want to find A only. So V equals U plus AT. Okay, 10, 0, A, 2. So you got A ialah 10 divided by 2, 5 meter second negative 2. Okay, now force applied. F equals MA. M ialah 100, A ialah 5. So we get 3. Okay, so force applied is 500 Newton. Show substitution, calculation, gantian semua betul, unit betul. Okay, soalan ni. Better write the formula better write the formula. Tulis formula dulu baru ganti. Okay, number 4. A student running 200 meter event. Diagram shows distance time graph to illustrate his running. Jadi dia punya pergerakan tunjuk pada graf ni. Okay, soalan. Compare the time of the student OA and AB. Tengok OA berapa? Dari sini ialah 12 second. Dari sini 10 second. Okay, boleh nampak tu? So means OA is longer. Okay, the time taken is higher atau longer ataupun apa-apalah. Is larger pun boleh. Okay, based on diagram 4, calculate speed of student at section A. Soalan ni ialah ST graph. Kalau ST, apa you boleh dapat? Gradient equals velocity ataupun speed. So means you need to find speed by using this triangle. So 100 divided by 12. Okay, so kita nak calculate dia punya ni bahagian ni. 100 divided by 12. So you dapat untuk bahagian OA punya kita second negative, sorry, negative 1 okay. Okay, soalan B, based on following aspect, give suggestion how the running time for 200 meter event can be shortened. Okay, macam mana nak pergerakan dia lebih laju. So for the student shoe, we want to avoid a slippery ground. Okay, so dia boleh guna shoes with ada paku dekat tapak kasut dia. Ada studs, ada paku. Reason. Okay. Best grip. Okay, dia boleh grip. Maksudnya dia tak mudah jatuh. Sebab kalau licin, dia akan jatuh. Jadi gunakan yang ada studs atau yang ada paku. Tahu kasut macam ni, bawah dia macam kasut spike lah. Dia ada paku kat bawah. Kasut belah tu. Okay, 2 marks. Yang macam ni, you punya aspect dia dan juga reason. Ini 2 markah. 2 point. Okay, the student attire, pakaian. Baju dia, seluar dia. Okay. Jadi pakaian kena macam mana? Mestilah fit and tight. Pakaian fit dengan tight, ketat. Okay, dia melekat di badan macam yang atlet pakai tu. Reason to reduce air. Okay, yeah. And then equipment use. Yang macam ni Okay, jadi mereka akan letak kaki kat sini kan. Ini dia ada spring dalam ni. Okay, so ini kita guna sebagai release port. Okay, release port maksudnya untuk produce larger Okay. Okay, now we go to the essay part, section B. Diagram 1.1 shows structure of rocket. Normally when you read the question, you look at the diagram, you must start to think what are the concept involved. Kalau roket ni ialah principle of conservation momentum. Juga yang Newton third law, action reaction, okay, force pun ada. Okay, jadi kita tengok soalan. Okay, ini kena jawab dalam space yang diberikan, but I just write here. Okay, supaya lebih senang. So, what are the principle? Jadi jawapannya mesti principle. Okay, kita tahu dia kaitan dengan momentum, but you cannot write momentum. You must write principle of momentum. Okay, principle of conservation of momentum. Tulisan saya. Momentum. Okay. Part 2, explain in terms of principle of conservation momentum how rocket is launched. 4 markah. 4 markah. Kalau 4 markah, mesti ada 4 points. Okay, 5 pun tak apa. Lagi banyak bagus lah. Tapi mesti ada points. Jangan salin very lengthy essay untuk 4 marks. In the end, tak ada markah. Sebab you tak cerita point, you tak sebut principle of conservation momentum. Sebab ini memang dah mention, kena mention principle of conservation momentum. Okay, first, you know that for rocket, they carry oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, ini mesti ada oxygen dengan hydrogen. Okay, first you can write about, okay, first point. Oxygen and hydrogen mix kalau dua ni kena campur, oxygen dengan hydrogen. Second point, hot gases hot gases is released out momentum of hot gases downward. Produce momentum upwards. Okay. Okay, momentum upward just downward. Produce is higher. Kita kena higher sajalah. Okay, according to soalan, you kena jawab di atas kertas yang diberikan sebab saya guna yang ni. Saya padam ni sebab saya nak tak ada space untuk tulis. Okay. According to principle of conservation of momentum, the rocket upwards. Okay, nampak point yang kita bagi untuk 4 markah. Jadi kena masukkan principle of conservation momentum. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 markah. Okay, dapat Okay, B. Study specification of all 4 jet engines. Explain suitability of each design and specification. Determine the most suitable jet engine to be used in aircraft. Okay, give reason of your choice. Okay, dan ialah soalan section B kan, yang 10. Memang soalan section B pun. Okay, 10 markah. Okay. Sometimes they give the information or the characteristic in table form. Sometimes in diagram. So if given is diagram, you just check the label. The label is the aspect atau characteristic. Okay, label yang dia tandakan itu yang kita nak bincang. First, air intake through small opening. Okay, iron blades, combustion chamber, okay, exhaust, okay, exhaust pipe. Okay, jadi ada 4 point di sini. Okay. Untuk soalan ni kita akan jawab dalam table form, right? First, look at the first one, air intake. The first aspect ialah okay, air intake through openings. Okay, bukaan dia lah. Okay. Intake, first aspect. Okay. So kita nak dia macam mana? Kalau air intake, kita nak air masuk lebih banyak, kan? Jadi kita buat larger. Okay, second, iron blades. Okay, yang ni ialah iron blades. Yang first diagram ialah iron blade. Okay, yang kedua is titanium, iron blade, titanium. So which one should use? Okay, for the second aspect is material of iron blade. Material of blades. Second aspect. So I will choose titanium. Okay, lebih stronger. Okay. Kemudian combustion chamber. Size of combustion chamber should be large lah, atau larger. Combustion chamber, you add the oxygen and hydrogen large amount if bigger size, so it will produce more hot gases. Larger momentum downwards, so means it able to cause the rocket to move upwards. Okay, and then kita ada exhaust gas opening. Okay, 4 exhaust gas opening. Buat list dulu untuk aspek yang kita nak bincangkan. So opening tadi kita nak dia large. Okay, I will remove the two which is small. Saya akan ambil big dulu. Big. Okay, so I will choose this one, big. This one small. So saya tak mau small. Ini pun saya tak mau. Okay, second, iron blades. I don't want iron blades, so saya cancelkan yang iron blade. Titanium, yes. Okay, iron blade tak mau. Okay, yang ni. Okay, titanium. Okay, okay, kita akan lihat seterusnya. Yang ketiga pula aspek. Size of combustion chamber mesti large. Saya akan remove yang kecil. This one small, I don't want. Okay. Big, yes. Big, yes. Okay. Terus lagi. The next aspect, exhaust gas opening. Okay, untuk exhaust gas opening kita ambil juga ialah small. Kenapa smaller? Because we want the gas to come out at high speed. Okay, high pressure, high speed. So come out at high speed. Ini small. Smaller than before lah. Tengok yang mana smaller, kita akan pilih yang smaller. Ini tadi kita reject. Ini big. Small, yes. Small. Okay, kita check mana pilihan yang gambar yang paling banyak tick ialah S. So you just discuss this one. Air intake through big opening, titanium blade, big combustion chamber, exhaust gas through small opening. Okay. Jadi saya akan buat diagram, buat apa? Satu table untuk soalan ni. Sini tak cukup tempat dah, jadi boleh. Saya ambil satu. Sekejap saya ambil file, satu file. Print. Okay, kita akan gunakan frame ni untuk jawab soalan bahagian esei. Okay, aspek yang pertama tadi, the first aspect. Air intakes opening. Size of opening for air intake. Boleh juga ya. Okay. Second punya ialah blades. Ataupun kita sebut material of blades. Okay. Write down the aspect dulu. Kalau buat pada different material tu, tulis je material of blades. Third one ialah size of combustion chamber. Okay. Dan yang keempat ialah exhaust gas opening. Okay. Jadi untuk karakteristik air intakes opening mesti larger. Okay. Material ialah titanium. Size of combustion chamber larger. Exhaust gas opening smaller. So, nampak tak cara kita tulis? Jadi nampak jelas aspek dan juga karakteristik. Okay, now give reason. Okay, larger air of intakes opening maksudnya more air. Okay. Enters the engine ataupun combustion chamber. More air enters. Lebih banyak udara masuk. Okay, blades titanium. Jawapannya boleh tulis stronger or not, mudah patah atau pecah. Okay, stronger. Sorry, salah tempat di sini ya. Saya tulis salah. It should be there, the correct one lah. Titanium tadi ya. Okay, stronger. Not easily break. Tidak mudah pecah atau patah. Okay, size of combustion chamber larger. More fuel. Okay, can be burnt. Okay. Okay, more fuel can be burnt. Lebih banyak akan dibakar lah. More combustion. Okay, more fuel for combustion. Okay, pun boleh. Okay, exhaust gas opening smaller to increase speed or momentum. Okay, lebih banyak momentum. Okay, sudah dapat 8 markah di sini. So your choice is what? S. S is chosen. Kenapa? Tulis mula yang bawah. Okay. Larger air intake opening. Titanium blade. Okay, and then smaller exhaust pipe. Okay, just salin balik saja yang sebelah sini ya. Okay, so choice of your choice tulisan saya sana. S is chosen, yang dipilih, ataupun S is suitable kemudian. Chosen. Okay. Okay, ini soalan ialah untuk section B. Jadi sekarang suggestion ialah gunakan 3 kolom. Use 3 column to answer. Okay, guna 3 kolom. Okay, bahagian C1. Kita balik pada soalan C1. An aircraft has forward thrust of 2 times 10 power 6 Newton. Mass of aircraft is 4 times 10 power 5. Calculate acceleration. So you ada force, you ada mass. Nak cari formula X. Okay, very direct ni ya. Okay, gantikan saja force. Okay, so A ialah 2 times 10 power 6 divided by 4 times 10 power 5. Okay, so you will get the answer ialah 5 meter second negative 2. Okay, mark saja. Unit mesti betul. Okay, any question? Siapa yang online dengan saya? Do you have any question? Ada soalan? Okay, we have one more part saja lagi, section C. Okay, tak ada. Okay, kita continue kepada section C. Oh ya, ada satu lagi, sorry, tertinggal. Bahagian 2 sebab soalan calculation ada 5 markah, 5 marks tadi baru 2. Okay, the aircraft must reach speed 110 to take off. Calculate minimum length of runway needs for this aircraft. Macam kapal terbang dan sebagainya tu dia kena speed up dulu dekat track tu, dekat jalan track dia tu, baru dia boleh take off. Okay, jadi berapa jauh? Okay, before take off. Okay. Okay, tadi kita dah calculate dia punya acceleration 5. Okay, start from rest, maksudnya U dia 0. Kita nak ada final velocity 110. Okay, soalan nak apa? Length kan? Jadi S lah. No T ya. Macam 4 tadi yang tak ada T hanyalah V square U square plus S. Ini je satu yang tak ada T, jadi gantikan V110 square 0 square 2 times 5S. Okay, so you get S equals to 110 square divided by 10. So you have 1210 meter. So means before takeoff, the aircraft needs to travel more than 1 kilometer, 1210. Okay, siapa yang pernah naik kapal terbang, you will know lah. Okay, dia kena travel dulu beberapa meter ataupun 1 kilometer before takeoff. Okay, that one is section B, 20 marks. Make sure you know how to answer. Okay, section C. Okay, tengok C. Diagram 1.1 shows a softball player hitting the ball slowly. Diagram 1.1. Diagram 1.2 shows softball player hitting the ball greater velocity. Okay, What is meant by velocity? Apa maksud velocity? Kalau boleh, tulis dalam sentence. Okay. Rate of change okay. Rate of change of displacement. Jangan tulis rate of change of distance. Itu untuk speed. Kita nak velocity ya. So rate of change of displacement. 1 mark. Okay, bahagian B. Using diagram 1.1, 1.2 compare. Soalan macam ni you all compare ni sepatutnya easy ya. Mudah dapat markah. Okay, what to compare, highlight dulu. Mass of the ball supaya you tak tinggal. Velocity of the bat, force being exerted. So kita ada tiga. Okay. Compare mass of the ball. Okay, pertama. Mass of the ball in both diagram are same. Okay, sama Okay. A softball player hit. Dia tak ada mention change in mass. Okay, so kita punya mass sama. Okay, you boleh tulis point yang pertama. Mass of the ball in 9.1 is it? 1.1. In 1.1 is same or equal to in 1.2. Ataupun mass of the ball in both diagram are same pun boleh. Okay. Second point. Okay, second point kita tuliskan sebagai velocity ya. Velocity of the bat in 1.1 is smaller than in 0.2. Okay. Dah cukup tempat saya tulis semula semula. Okay. Diagram 1.1. Okay, second, velocity of bat in 1.1 is smaller than in 1.2. Okay, next, force exerted the ball. The force on the ball in 1.1 is less than in 1.2. Sebab diagram tadi sudah mention. Okay, diagram 1.2 shows softball hitting greater velocity. Okay, dia dah bagi dah situ, you just compare saja. Okay, state relationship between velocity and momentum. Okay, mv momentum P equals to mv. P dengan V ialah directly proportional. So means the larger the larger. Okay, okay, part 3, state relationship between change of momentum and its impulse. Okay, momentum dengan impulse, apa kaitan? Okay, kita dah tahu formula kalau impulse ialah mv minus u. Ini impulse. Ini juga panggil change in momentum. So actually they are equal. Okay, so you boleh relate macam ni juga. The larger the change in momentum the larger the larger lah. Okay, momentum dengan impulse, any change in momentum, mv minus mu. Okay, part C, diagram 11.3 shows girl wearing helmet and safety. Nampak dia ada topi, ada pad, safety pad. Okay, explain why the girl needs to wear helmet and safety pad. 4 markah. Jadi kena explain, satu ialah helmet, satu ialah safety pad. Okay. The hard helmet will protect head, nose, head, kepala dia. Okay. Okay, to apa? Kita nak apa? To withstand larger force. Okay, kalau dia jatuh, okay, helmet tu dia keras, dia hard, so dia akan prevent head from injured. Okay, ini 2 markah untuk helmet. Sekarang kita buat safety pad pula. Okay, the soft safety pad ialah soft. Will increase the time of impact and reduce impulsive force. Nampak tak di sini? Ada berapa markah tu ni? Di mana 4 markah tu? Okay, pertama helmet, dia hard kan? Jadi protect head. Okay, protect head and to withstand larger impulsive force. And then safety pad ni soft, increase time of impact, reduce impulsive force. Nampak tak? So you dapat 4 markah. Okay. Okay, part D. Diagram 11.4 shows a man jumping from a building onto a safety airbag cushion. Contohnya kalau ada fire berlaku, jadi dia bomba boleh guna bag ni sebagai safety airbag cushion. Okay. As a safety officer, you are given a task to design a safety airbag cushion that will be used to save people during fire. Okay, macam mana? So soalan ni section C ialah soalan suggest modification. Okay, ataupun to design tu maksudnya suggest modification. Okay, kita baca lagi. Your design should include aspect material, features, okay, of safety bags to rescue people. Okay, give one reason for every aspect stated, 10 marks. Ini the higher level of thinking mereka cipta. That's why soalan ni letak the last sekali dekat bahagian section C. Okay, adakah you boleh, ada seorang yang boleh mereka cipta? Okay, jadi kita kena tengok lah, boleh tak you jawab soalan ni untuk dapat 10 markah. Okay, what are the point di sini? Aspek dia, material dengan features. Okay, kita cuba tulis dalam bentuk table untuk soalan ni. Section C. Okay, find the aspect dulu. Apa aspek? Okay, pertama maybe kita discuss about material airbag cushion. Okay, dia punya material. And then yang kedua tentu nak bincang tentang size of airbag cushion. Okay, third maybe about the thickness of airbag cushion. Aspek kena tulis penuh jangan ringkas. Okay, color pun boleh. Bagi je apa yang you rasa logik. Sebab the person will jump from very high level, look down, the color must be very bright. Baru dia boleh nampak kan. Kalau you letak color yang warna yang hampir sama dengan ground, you tak tahu mana nak terjun kan, tak tahu mana nak lompat. Okay, the color also is very important. The color of air bag cushion. Okay, letak kita nak cepat during fire kita nak cepat nak selamatkan orang. So easy to carry mesti. Okay. Okay, sekarang saya dah ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 saja. Kalau you all ada lagi boleh masukkan. So material dia mestilah material. Kalau you tak tahu apa, material ni boleh banyak jawapan. Okay. Paling senang kalau material dia strong. Itu yang paling senang. Reason pun mudah, senang. Okay. Not easily tak boleh lah broken sebab ni ialah airbag kan. Not easily tear atau torn. Okay. Ataupun okay, you nak letak apa? Is a proof. Okay, a fireproof pun boleh. Tahan bisa. Or waterproof pun boleh. Okay, jadi reason you mesti betul lah. Kalau letak fireproof maksudnya not easily burn. Kalau you letak waterproof not easily wet. Kan? Jadi banyak idea boleh dapat lah tu. Material. Okay, jadi sesuai dengan situation. Normally kalau apa-apa soalan pun berkaitan strong kita boleh letak. Strong tu yang senang. Okay, size of airbag cushion mestilah larger, betul tak? Large. Okay, sebab dia nak the person will jump from very high place, so dia tak boleh nak spot kat mana nak jatuh. Kalau small, dia mesti large. Okay, so it will cover the cushion will cover larger area. Jadi lebih senang lah. Thickness mestilah thicker atau high thickness. Okay, kenapa? To reduce, to lengthen time of impact pun boleh, to reduce impulsive force pun boleh. Soalan ni mula asal dah bincang impulsive force, maksudnya sini mesti ada impulsive force. Okay. Color of airbag cushion must be bright ataupun warna apa yang clear, bright lah. Okay. Because easily seen from nampak. Okay. Mass of the airbag cushion must be small. Okay. So easy to carry or easy to transfer pun boleh. Okay. Okay, so you nampak tak? Ini cara untuk jawab soalan ni. Okay. Okay, do you have any question? Those online with me, ada soalan tak? Or you have any other idea? Ada idea lain tak untuk soalan ni? Do you have any other idea about the airbag cushion? What else that we can include? So if you write in this form, you can see your answer clearly. The examiner also very happy to mark your answer. Okay. Tapi jangan terlalu ringkas. Contohnya aspect. Aspect you letak, you just tulis color saja. Or you just tulis mass. What mass or what? Okay, nak tulis lengkap. Tulis lengkap. Material of airbag cushion. Tak apa, berulang-ulang. Size of airbag cushion. Thickness of airbag cushion. Color of airbag cushion. Mass of airbag cushion. Biasa kan? Okay, ini tak apa. Ini satu komponen. Kalau soalan yang melibatkan banyak komponen, kalau you tak tulis aspect dengan lengkap, we don't know which one you refer to. So make sure aspect tulis lengkap. Tulis modification. The explanation can be repeated. Boleh repeat kalau sesuai. Okay, but this side cannot repeat. Only the only bahagian yang tu saja kita boleh repeat. Bahagian yang reason saja boleh repeat. Okay. Okay, that one is for chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, so I have done for part 1 revision form 4 by using Ticket to Victory from GPN Perak. So if you are able to print it out, you can print or you just refer it, okay, secara online begini. Okay, I can jot down some important point. Okay, do you have any question regarding our class today? Starting from 10:50, now is already 12:28, 1.5 hours already. Ada soalan yang online dengan saya? Do you have any question? Okay, if don't have, then I will stop here. Thank you for joining me today. Bye.